Okay, we have this question, this word problem. 4 times a number added to 5 is divided by 6. The result is 7 halves. Find the number. So when I have these word problems, I just go one phrase at a time. So we have 4 times a number. So the number will just be x. So we have 4x added to 5. So plus 5 is divided by, that means the whole thing is divided by 6. Okay, the result means your equal sign, and then it's equal to 7 over 2. So you have two options. You could use the common denominator to clear the fractions, or because this is just one fraction equal to another, this is a proportion, and we can do cross multiplying. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 4x plus 5, and that will be equal to 7 times 6. So then we're going to work this out, distribute the 2, so we get 8x plus 10 equals 42. Subtract 10 from both sides. We get 8x equals 32. Divide by 8, and 32 divided by 8 gives us 4. And that is your answer.